Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I Will Be Your Factor.
Now question number 6. State the common factors for the following numbers. Students, here few numbers are given. We have to find out the common factors of the numbers. Sum number 1 of question number 6, 7 and 14. Students, here first we have to find out the factors of 7 and 14. Then from those factors we have to find out the common factors. Now solution for sum number 1. Students, as I've explained you earlier how to find out the factors. So now the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. As 7 is a prime number, so the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. And factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. As 1 14 is 14 and 2 7 is also 14. Now we have to find out the common factors. Here students, you can see that 1 is a factor of both the numbers and 7 is the factor of both the numbers. So the common factors of 7 and 14 are 1 and 7. So we will write here as, so the common factors of 7 and 14 are 1 and 7. Student, try to solve sum number 2 by yourself. Now we move to sum number 3. 36 and 45. Here also we have to find out the common factors of 36 and 45. For this, first we will write down the factors of 36 and 45. Now solution for sum number 3. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. As 1 36 is 36, 2 18 is 36, 3 12 is 36, 4 9 is 36 and 6 6 is also 36. And factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. 1 45 is 45, 3 15 is 45 and 5 9 is also 45. Now we have to find out the common factors between these two numbers. Here you can see that 1 is a common factor in both the number, 3 is a common factor in both this number, 9 is a common factor in both this number. So common factors of 36 and 45 are 1, 3 and 9. Students, try to solve sum number 4 of question number 6 by yourself. Now we move to sum number 5. Here we have to find out the common factors of 10, 15 and 35. For this, first we will write down the factors of these numbers. Now solution for sum number 5. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. As 1 10 is 10, 2 5 is also 10. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. As 1 15 is also 15 and 3 5 is also 15. And factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. As 1 35 is 35 and 5 7 is also 35. Now we have to find out the common factor. Here students, you can see 1 is the common factor in 10, 15 and 35. 5 is also a common factor in 10, 15 and 35. So common factors are 1 and 5. Now question number 7. Write the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. Students, here we have to write down the 5 multiples of the numbers. As I've explained you earlier, multiples means we have to write down the tables. Sum number 1, 4. We have to write down 5 multiples of 4. So now the multiples of 4 are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So students, now first 5 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Students, try to solve sum number 2 and 3 of question number 7 by yourself. Now we move to sum number 4. Here also first we have to find out the multiples of 9. So now we will write multiples of 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. So the first 5 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Student, try to solve sum number 5 by yourself. Now we move to sum number 6. 15. Here you have to find out the multiples of 15. So multiples of 15 are 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75. So multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75. Students, try to solve sum number 7 of question number 7 by yourself. Now question number 8. State the first 3 common multiples of the given numbers. Students, here we have to find out the first 3 common multiples of the given numbers. Sum number 1, the number given are 2 and 6. For that, first we have to write down the multiples of 2 and 6. Students, here first you have to write down the first 5 multiples of 2. The first 5 multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10, and first 5 multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 8, 24 and 30. First you have to find out the common multiples between these two numbers. Here you can see that 6 is the only common multiple between these two numbers. Now we have to move further. You have to write next multiple of 2. 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14, and 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18. Now here you can see that 12 is a common multiple in both the numbers and 18 is also a common multiple in both the numbers. Students, we have to go on writing the multiples till we get the first 3 common multiples of the given numbers. Now we got the first 3 common multiples. The first 3 common multiples are 6, 12 and 18. So the first 3 common multiples of 2 and 6 are 6, 12 and 18. Students, try to solve sum number 2 of question number 8 by yourself. Now sum number 3. Here also we have to find out the first 3 common multiples of 4 and 5. For that, first we will write down the multiples of 4 and 5. Students, the multiples of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. And multiples of 5 are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. Now here you can see we got only one common multiple between these two numbers, that is 20. Now we will extend the multiples. We will write some more multiples of 4 and 5, as we need 3 common multiples of 4 and 5. Some more multiples of 4 and 5 are 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, and multiples of 5 are 30, 35, 40 and 45. Here you can see the next common multiples between 4 and 5 is 40. As we want 3 common multiples, we will write some more multiples of 4 and 5. So the next multiples of 4 are 44, 48, 52, 56, 60 and so on, and multiples of 5 are 50, 55, 60 and so on. Now we got the third common multiple, that is 60. So now we got the 3 common multiples of 4 and 5. Here you can see that 20, 40 and 60 are the 3 common multiples of 4 and 5. So the first 3 common multiples of 4 and 5 are 20, 40 and 60. Students, try to solve sum number 4 by yourself. We move to sum number 5 of question number 8. 2, 3, 4. Here also we have to write the first 3 common multiples of 2, 3, 4. For that, first we will write down the multiples of 2, 3 and 4. Now the multiples of 2 are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22 and 2 12s are 24. And multiples of 3 are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21 and 3 8s are 24. And multiples of 4 are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. Now we will find out the common multiples. Here you can see that 12 is the common multiple in these 3 numbers and 24 is the common multiples of these 3 numbers. We have to find out 3 common multiples, so we will write down some more multiples of 2, 3 and 4. Now some more common multiples of 2, 3 and 4 are, the common multiples of 2 are 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36 and so on, and multiples of 3 are 27, 30, 33, 36 and so on. Multiples of 4 are 28, 32, 36 and so on. Now here we got the third common multiple, that is 36. So now here you can see that 12, 24 and 36 are the common multiples of 2, 3 and 4. So the common multiples of 2, 3 and 4 are 12, 24 and 36.
Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.